So now you're wondering what we're doing, and we're maybe thinking that ourselves also, but the idea is here. We got a tip that it would be good to see if the bushings are worn out in the set direction. So that means in lowering and lifting the table on this part. So my idea was now that I would put just a jack underneath here, just to see if there's any play in the table, which would indicate that the bushing is worn out. That's because it's built the same way as the other axes also. So it has a brass bushing, and that's connected to a thread. So when lifting here, if there's any play, that should give an indication, since the thread is now so that the table is lifted just a little bit. So I know that the bushing and the threads are active, so to say. So when I lift here, and if I can lift the table just a few millimeters, then I know that play should come from that bushing. And of course, I'm hoping that won't be the case, but we'll never know. And I'm not really sure if this works, because there's also a possibility that when we're lifting here in the front part, or the front section of this part, it might just lift the front part, so it tilts, and doesn't necessarily mean that the bushing is worn. So let's try this method, and if we're not really satisfied with that, then maybe we'll just try to lift it a bit higher and make some kind of lifting device, or put something underneath here so we can lift it between the thread and the bushing and the axis here. So that should give a quite straight lift, and hopefully that would indicate then if there's any play or not. So, but let's try this method first, because this is the easier one. I saw some play at the top end there. Maybe we should just draw some sort of mark. Again, just a fine line here, not to make any scratches, but just to see if that could show anything. Now I'm lowering it. Yeah.
Maybe a millimeter.
Yeah. Try again.
Millimeter.
Yeah.
About.
Mm.
It moves
Yeah.
the whole way.
Okay. Okay. So that means that this test method should be quite accurate.
I think so.
Mm. Mm.
But is a millimeter good or
Yeah,
bad?
I was thinking that too. I think it's quite little, because I'm thinking that the threads are quite coarse, and if it's just a mill, I mean the bushings are not that precise, because of course, as on the other axes, you always have the play.
Yeah.
There, so my feeling is that this is not a problem.
Yeah, I agree. But luckily we have a good contact that we can ask.
Yeah. Yes.
And make sure.
Yeah.
So, but should be okay.
Yeah. We'll check with them.
Yeah.
All right. Let's continue the disassembly. Actually, I've had this one open before, so it's actually sealed again. So, but for the sake of this series and for you guys, we'll open it again, just to check it if it's something that's worn out or something that I maybe missed on the first try, so to say. So let's cheat a bit and then use the impact gun. As I told you, I've used sealant on this one, so some sort of gasket, so I think I'll have to get a tool to pry it open. Once again, the multi-tool is back. Oh no, my precious shit. Need to get a new one. Fortunately, the firm has money enough to buy another one, so let's see. There should be a pin, also a guiding pin on the other end. Oh. Ah, yes. Oh, you can see it. So this is the gearbox where you select the speeds. Looks quite neat. I'm happy with that. Did some good work a few years back. And see what we have. Some simple bearings here also. I think those would be good to change out on the same time, and also the one that was visible, this one. I'll change that one also. Alright, good. Just to clean off the sealant, and I don't know if there's that much to do here to see if there's something, but yeah.
Did you show it properly to the camera?
I tried at least.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. Alright. Gears look good. No dirt or anywhere. So looks promising. I think I'll use some Scotch-Brite on these surfaces just to get them clean. But this is just a rough cleaning now. Alright, so it's getting closer to ordering bearings. So I think I'll change these ones to at least take them out to see if it's something to order and change at the same time. Let's see. Bad pliers. That almost gave up. Nice. Real fun. All right, Sorry for the foul language. Now I found the right pliers. Ah, easy does it. Oh, okay. Why doesn't that one come up? That one feels quite good, actually, but yeah, I'll change it. And we'll put this one back over. That one feels a bit dry, so yeah, that jams a bit also. Okay, that was good to take out, and we'll replace those also. Next up, we'll remove this cap. Not sure what it's for. I'm guessing some kind of maintenance maybe. It looks to be aligned with the lead screw for the set axis. But yeah, let's find out. broken one here, but maybe we can some way get it. So tap it a bit. Now maybe we could get a hold of it with some pliers. I'm a little bit worried that I would, since it's broken already, that just by tapping it would be snap off. So that would suck. So I'll grab some pliers. Sometimes you need a bit of luck. Could have been a pin, yes, but it wasn't. So close. Get another one.
Plier or screwdriver?
Screwdriver, a real small one.
No.
Okay. So I'm thinking this is where the bushing is for the set axis. My idea. So if I'm correct, this should turn on. I turn it here. Yes. Okay.
It looks a bit corroded.
Yeah. Don't know really why. And I don't know why it's this loose. Maybe it should be, I don't know. It's so easy to now open it. I think I can't withstand. Then we have the locking washer there. What else? Ah, there's a small bearing here. Okay.
And that bearing didn't look...
That doesn't look that healthy. It's not super worn out, but it looks like it would need a bit of attention.
Okay, so that's where that grease nipple goes.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, we have a grease nipple here underneath this, on the back side of this table. And we were wondering where it goes, but yeah.
You can see the channel there. Here is the channel.
Ah, okay. Yes. And I can see that this is the bottom part of it, but I'm not really sure how I should get it out. Haven't figured that one really yet. Let's see. These fishing hooks. Maybe these could help. Somehow under there. I think it sits loose, but it's holding on to the, just because of the oil, and that's what creates a vacuum there. I'm running out of ideas. Maybe I could just put some bacon or some sort of oil. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Okay, get some paper to clean that up. So this was the bearing. The balls are there, but it's a bit dirty. So we'll put in a new one.